Next day morning, we take the statue cruise to Liberty Island. At 305 feet, she was the tallest structure in New York when completed in 1886.
Walking towards her, we feel goosebumps. This is more than a statue, it's a dream come true. Did you know the statue's copper skin is only about the thickness of 2 pennies?
Around 200,000 pounds of copper and 250,000 pounds of iron were used to build it.
The Statue of Liberty is green due to oxidation, a natural process where copper reacts with air and moisture to form a protective layer called a patina.
From Liberty Island, visitors are treated to a spectacular panoramic view of the lower Manhattan skyline.
The site is dominated by the soaring presence of One World Trade Center, a symbol of rebirth and resilience.
You can also spot other iconic landmarks like the Empire State Building and the historic Financial District, all set against the backdrop of the bustling New York harbor.
For countless visitors, the Statue of Liberty is the iconic first glimpse of America. The Statue of Liberty's crown has 7 spikes, representing the 7 continents and 7 seas, symbolizing the universal message of freedom spreading across the world.